Hi, my name is Santiago Chichao and I'm going to talk about the Enlightenment thinker called Jean-Jacques Rousseau. First of all, I'm going to introduce you the movement where Jean-Jacques Rousseau take place. It was called Enlightenment. That was an intellectual movement that started in Europe in the year 17th. This movement challenged all the ideas about power and authority. The thinkers of this movement used their own intelligence or reason to answer these questions. One of these questions was, where does the power come from? Jean-Jacques Rousseau was an Enlightenment thinker that was born in Switzerland in the year 1712, and he died in the year 1778 in France. He lived in Ginebra, located in Switzerland. Rousseau questions where does the power to govern come from, and why does the government exist? To this, Rousseau answered where does the power to govern come from? Within people, because he said that people were born with three natural rights: life, liberty, and property. So he proposed the social contract. This contract protects what is called the three natural rights: life, property, and liberty. This contract, this social contract means that the government can take away these rights. The contract was called Rousseau Social Contract in the year 1762. One of the effects, and I'm going to talk about some effects that Rousseau have in society, have in the world. He developed many progressive ideas about education. For example, he said that the girls' education mainly teach how to be a harmful mother or wife. He also agreed that people were equal and that titles of nobility should be abolished. This was during the French Revolution in the year 1789. Also, Rousseau's views in the social contract was different from Hobbes. For Thomas Hobbes, that was another Enlightenment thinker. For Hobbes, the social contract was an agreement between the society and the government, and for Jean-Jacques Rousseau, it was an agreement among free individuals to create society and a government. Thank you for watching, hope you have learned, and I'll see you in the next video.